says it still kind of hurts a little bit. She pushes down on her own.
Okay, that doesn't sound
Yeah. But I do need to know whether or not you think she should do practice tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Hurt at all? It does? Like a lot or a little? Should lean it back.
She's so
Wow,
cute.
I'm not sure. Smart thing. That was good, huh? So she misses tomorrow. When will be her next time back?
Thursday. There's no more meets or anything. So it's not like it's, you know, so I mean, that's the good thing. I just don't want to push it.
Right. I would take off tomorrow. But
Off tomorrow?
yeah.
Okay.
It's feeling better. I just don't want to make sure. So you can miss that, okay? I'll sit up. I'm sorry. Sit up. Face mom. Yeah, I still want to more steady.